Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get a large red leather roll in A Township Tale, so let's get right into it. A large leather roll is an item which you can collect in-game, and it is used for crafting. Now, as of now, the only way that you can get this through the quest platform is by killing worms. Worms are a mob which you can kill, and I'll get to them shortly. However, currently you can get the worm's large leather roll only on quest. On quest you cannot get it from the dice, however you should be able to in the future. But yeah, it is a generic crafting item, and it is used to create items such as the hoarder bag. It is used on the assembly deck, and then you can create using 3 leather rolls. And pretty much, actually, large leather rolls can be used at the assembly deck to create 3 normal leather rolls. And yeah, large leather rolls can only be obtained by slaying adult dice or worms, and the quest version only has the green variety dropped by worms. Now, dice are this sort of deer-looking creature which you can find across the world in the forest, and they're passive, so you can kill them easily. However, killing them will not do you anything in the quest platform. You can only do this on other platforms, but on the quest platform you can only obtain them from the worm, and this is what a worm is. It is a creature. It is hostile with scythe-like arms and glowing yellow eyes, and they can be found in several locations such as the mines, the dust bowl, and the mountain pass. Killing them will drop the large leather roll, and that is pretty much the only way you can get it in Oculus Quest. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.